Hey everyone, it's Kiwi. I'm excited to share with you our new fall products for August 2024. These products are in our mainline catalog and they are going to blow your mind. You're going to love them. So the first up is part of our skincare line, and it is the Brightening Vitamin C Serum. This is used to enrich your skin. You put it on in the morning with a daily dose of vitamin C to brighten, firm, and protect your skin against premature aging and environmental damage. The key ingredients are vitamin C. It improves your skin firmness, radiance, and glow while reducing those fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. The ceramides plump fine lines, and they support the skin's natural barrier. Vitamin E and raspberry seed oil protect against free radical damage, and prevents accelerated aging. The bisabolol hops extract lightens dark spots and decreases hyperpigmentation. The next one up is our Bakuchiol Serum. I might have said that wrong. This product is fantastic for reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and improving skin tone and texture without the harshness of traditional retinol. Y'all, this is your natural alternative to retinol, safe for all. It smooths fine line and wrinkles, and who doesn't want that? A safe retinol alternative. One of the next ingredients is the sea fennel extract. This is rich in vitamin A, C, and E to rejuvenate and boost radiance. Vitamin E, of course, provides antioxidant protection, and black currant is a powerful Nordic antioxidant. Now let's move on to cleaning. I'm super excited about this one. This is our tub and tile cleaning attachments. These are perfect for keeping your tub and tile surfaces with ease because it attaches to our mop pole, so you're not going to hurt your back. It features 2 attachments to customize your clean. We've got the bristles, see how tough and firm they are for tough cleaning tasks. And then we have our microfiber pad attachment, so it just clips onto here or your mop pole, and this gives you a strong, effective scrubbing action. Both are made from recycled plastic material, okay? Now let's talk about this guy. This was a favorite. It's our EnviroWand 2-sided duster. We have it now in this ultra plush. We had this for a limited time, and it does a bang up job picking up the pet fur, picking up all the dust and the dander. It is bendable for tight spaces. It includes backlock for self-cleansing properties, and it's made from recycled material. Like I said, great for dogs, cars, blinds, dorm rooms, all over your home. Now, we also have back this in this size, the large and the small. This is for our dust, for our mop system. And you can use this daily to remove dust and dirt without scratching your floors. It has extra fine fibers that are static charged. That's what holds all the dust and particles. It's quick and efficient on your hardwood and other surfaces. It's made from 70% recycled microfiber. All right, so since we're talking about pet fur, let's talk about our fur babies. I'm so excited to tell you about this next line of products. The first is our Pet Stain and Odor Remover Concentrate. This is tailor-made to combat pet stains and odors specifically. This concentrate breaks them down at the source without harsh chemicals, and it makes 6 forever spray bottles, 6 of them. It's powered by enzymes and probiotics to thoroughly and effectively clean. It's ultra concentrated. It is scented with natural oils, natural citrus essential oils, no synthetic fragrances. So speaking of the stink, the dog deodorizer Fresh Fur. This is perfect for in-between washes. This freshens up your dog without synthetic fragrances. Y'all, I sprayed this on my Yeti, my dog, the other day when he was smelling dog, and he smelled so good. It is safe for him and for me. It features a deodorizer that's packed with probiotics that control odors. It's pH formulated for your dog's skin. No rinsing required, just spray and go. It's so easy. I'm keeping this by the back door for when they come in smelling. Note, when they need a deeper clean, we've got the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. This is a royal berry scent. Again, no synthetic fragrances. It's designed to be gentle and effective way to cleanse your skin and moisturize and condition your dog's coat. It is pH formulated specifically for your dog's skin. It leaves the fur feeling soft and conditioned. All right, next up, this doormat. This is a plush microfiber. Look how adorable it is. It keeps your floor clean by trapping dirt and mud and debris from your shoes and paws. I'm going to be getting an extra one for under the dog bowl. It keeps dirt, chemicals, allergens, and water from entering your home. It features backlock or self-cleansing properties, and your pet's gonna love this behind your back door. They'll probably sleep on it too. It's so cute. Last up, we have our pet towel. This microfiber makes bath time a breeze. Look how adorable this is. It features ultra absorbent microfiber. It effortlessly soaks up all of the moisture. Again, I keep this near my back door. It features a back lock to keep the cloth fresher longer. You slip your hands in here. You can dry off your dog very easily. Use it over and over and over again. I hope you enjoyed learning about all these new products. Be sure to check them out. See how they can make your life cleaner and easier. And if you are just loving this and you want to share this with your friends and family, I have two options for you. The first is to say, hey Kiwi, I would love to host a demo with you and earn these products for free. And the second one is we have risk-free kit options. Consider joining and you can get all of your pet products at a 35% discount, and you can earn 35% on everything that you share with people. So I absolutely love them. Tell me what you are most excited about. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.